Hi, my name's Jake Neal. I work for JES and the Skills Academy, which is dedicated to the training of welders, fabricators, pipe fitters, basically all the black trades that are needed for the transition to green steel making. Beginning of the year, JES as a company, after spending over 30 years at Phoenix Wharf, were forced off that location to relocate over to the Mould Bay. Through locating, there was a massive disruption and significant cost to the business themselves, which we received a grant from Port Talbot Council's Economic Development Team, and that was a massive help in helping us to relocate over to the Mould Bay. So we have a couple of thank yous to be handing out. First and foremost, we need to thank the UK government and Tata Steel for the transition fund and having the foresight to make that money available. We also need to thank Business Wales for making the process easy, UK Steel Enterprise for their help and assistance, and last but not least, Port Talbot Council's Economic Development Team for their help, guidance and advice in delivering the funding. The funding has allowed JES to successfully relocate in order to service and support Tata's vital move to electric arc furnace steel manufacture more efficiently and effectively as a proud supply chain partner.